Yeah, good morning, friends. Today we are going to uninstall or remove Postgres versions. So here is the steps like how can we install? We can uninstall whole package of that associated files, or we can install one by one as well. So let's see here how can we purge that. So we have a command at apt get purge, and then we can pass that a para instance name. So sorry, we have to pass here remove. Okay, so this is removed and it is asking to continue. We can get a space of 23 MB. So just hit pass here, yes. Now it's completed. Asking for configuration existing, yeah, just remove that. Done. Then we have a next version is 13. It has copied about 50 MB, so we can pass here. We can get additional free MB, 50 MB of space here. Okay, now we have a next that 9.6 ATS. Yes, and see the rest of the packages. See, we have just client tool, so we can, it is PLSQL. We can also uninstall that. It is not needed yet, so just pass here. Client dash n. Done. Oh, sorry, the spelling of client is wrong. Yes. Now for 13, same. Yes. Sorry. Okay. And then we have a 9.6. Yes. And recheck what are the existing packages. So this is a common tool, a common client tool. So we can also remove it. Just passing the command here. Client common. Yes. Removing or purging all these common folders. And now we have just a Postgres common. So just I am doing this for basically we have to install refresh 13 or 12, so that we have to remove existing one, or we can also see the upgrade part. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you like it. How can we purge bad or Postgres versions on Ubuntu box? Thank you.